Hi, everyone. Welcome to this episode of Entrepreneur Showcase Series brought to you by Patranya Media, LLC and Parkway Media Partners. I'm your host, Patranya Poonswan. And on the show today, we have a very special lady in the house, Mónica Taher. She is the Chief Operations Officer for Avanti Green COO. Mónica, great to see you again.
Thank you. Great to see you too. Thank you for having me in your program.
Yes, and we've highlighted your company before. You've done such great things here in the community, especially when it comes to promoting that green business, which we love. And I love that you're wearing green, very on brand there for you. So talk to us about this. For people who've never heard, though, of Avanti Green COO, you guys have been in business here. You're going to have your 14th year anniversary coming up next year, right?
That is right, Patranya. Actually, we've been in business since 2011. We started as a residential and a commercial cleaning company. And like you well said, we are an eco-friendly company, which means that we do not use any toxic products such as Clorox, ammonia, Fabuloso, Pinezol, on our clients' floors. We only use organic products. And we do it that way because number one, we really believe in taking care of our environment. Number two, we think that people who suffer from allergies and perhaps other illnesses can have a little bit of peace if we go into their homes, or in this case their offices, and we clean them the right way so they can have a buffer against those allergies, especially around this time.
Yeah, I just started sneezing this morning. I'm like, oh, the allergies are back for sure.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of people just want that peace of mind. Of course, having people to come in and clean their house, but to know that they're not bringing those toxic chemicals into their homes or offices, right?
Exactly, and sometimes people don't think that these products, these chemicals, are in the long term really bad for their health,
Yeah.
but they are, and not only for them, but obviously their kids. I mean, their families in general, and even their pets.
Right.
So we really, we made an effort. We were the first eco-friendly company, cleaning company in Las Vegas back in 2011, and nowadays what we do is that we constantly train our employees to make sure that we are using the latest organic products in the market in order for our clients to actually enjoy from, like you said, this peace of mind.
Yeah, and we have some pictures and videos that we can show here of your business if people are not familiar yet. But really it comes down to, providing what the customers are asking for. And that's why we're here today, because we want to talk about some of the new things that you're rolling out that you said your customers have been asking for, right?
Yes, exactly. So we used to go into people's homes, or in this case, in commercial spaces. We have a lot of commercial clients,
Yeah.
ranging from retail offices, medical spaces, actually a lot of medical spaces, whether they are dentists or chiropractors or just general medical practices. Um, Cannabis spaces, different types of commercial clients. And they always used to ask us for more services that are, in this case, associated with cleaning, such as carpet cleaning, floor care, window cleaning, the exterior of the windows. Um, in some cases up to 3 floors, and pressure washing, which is basically the cleaning of spaces such as garages, driveways, sidewalks, big parking lots, etc. And what we used to do is that we used to outsource those services. We used to work with different partners. We would bring them to our clients' homes or commercial space, and they will provide that service, until we said, I think it's time for us to expand and start providing these services for our recurring clients and become a one-stop shop. And that's exactly what we've done.
Yeah, and I love it. And, people don't know that this was started as a women-owned business, right? Talk to us about the owner and how she her vision came about because of this.
Yes, actually, it's still women owned. Claudia Meneses, our
And I think we
CEO
have her
and
picture
founder.
that we can share. Yeah, and I think we talked to
Oh,
Claudia last time
fantastic.
as well. She has
Yes.
really kind of been a visionary, because you said, really wanted to make this an eco-friendly business and launch it as such, right?
Correct, exactly. Nowadays, you see, some eco-friendly companies, cleaning companies, not that many still, but there are more than back in the day, back in 2011, when Claudia had that vision and she thought that it would not only be a differentiator in regards to her own business, but it would really help with the environment. She is a big proponent of measures and anything that can help in order to, let's say, recycle, reuse, and basically not use anything that is toxic, whether it's at home or in commercial spaces. And I don't know if you recall, Patranya, but we also talked a little bit about what we're doing with the school district, the Clark County School
That's right.
District.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
we
Remind
signed
people
an
about that.
agreement. Yes, we signed. We're very excited about this initiative because it's really the first one when it comes to associating a cleaning company with the school district. That two things that you wouldn't really think that they go perhaps hand in
Together.
hand,
Yeah.
or they go aligned.
Yeah.
So we proposed an initiative in order to go into classrooms in classrooms from ranging from kindergarten to second grade
Yeah.
in order to educate those kids about the environment. And we had two very strong verticals, one that focuses on reusing, recycling, and the other one that focuses on how to conserve electricity and water, two key themes here in our city. So we're very excited because we're not only cleaning people's homes and commercial spaces and providing all of these other services, but we're also educating our own population.
Yeah, no, I love that. And I love what you're doing, as a women owned business and really going into the community and find different ways to be really supportive of different causes. And, so tell us, if people want to reach out to you and maybe looking for some of the services, what's the first thing they should do? And if they have questions, what's the best way to find out more information about Avanti Green Eco Cleaning?
Great question. So they can find us easily on our website, which is www.avantigreen.com. People might be wondering, what is Avanti? Avanti is basically, it's an Italian word that means moving forward. So
Oh,
we
I did
move
not know
forward
that.
into green spaces. Exactly. And on our website, they can find all of our array of services, including carpet cleaning, floor care, pressure washing, window cleaning, and obviously anything and everything that has to do with home and commercial cleaning. They can actually book online. It takes 1 minute, a few clicks, just to pick what type of home you have, how many square feet, or if it's a commercial space, we'll be extremely happy to go and do a free walkthrough of the space in order to give people a fair estimate. They can also call us, they can text us, and they can find us in social media, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram.
Yeah, no, I love it. And now that, you're rolling out new services, which will be under your own umbrella, people who worked with you, maybe your regular customers can really kind of, trust that these new services will be just as good, if not better, just because they'll now be working with your team, right?
Exactly. Not only that, but we made a big effort in 2024 in order to invest in state-of-the-art equipment. What does that mean? Just for the carpet cleaning area, we know that nationwide it's an industry that made, just in 2023, it made $6.9 billion in revenue. So we're talking about a lot of money. There are about 37,000 carpet cleaning companies in the US. In Vegas, you see a lot of cleaning companies, but not all of them, number one, are green. In other words, they take care of the environment, or they
Right.
don't use necessarily non-toxic products. And two, we decided to invest in equipment that is state of the art, and that basically includes this system called Butler, that is a van that you were showing actually a few minutes ago, a van that is equipped with the latest machinery in order to go into people's homes and carry all of those hoses and all of that equipment that can help any home, any carpet in any home or in any commercial space look like if it was just installed yesterday.
I love that. I love that. And I know you guys done great work. I mean, 14 years in the city, that speaks a lot to, what you've done here, and you continue to grow, which I want to congratulate your whole team, to Claudia as well. When you see her, let her know, we're so happy for this. And thank you for coming back on the show
Yes.
to share all this information with us.
No, on the contrary, Patranya, and I actually want to point something out in
Mm,
regards to carpet cleaning, since we were just talking about that.
yeah.
We signed a contract a few months ago in order to clean about 27 facilities for carpet cleaning across the city. That's a lot of facilities. And for pressure washing, we signed another contract to clean about 31 facilities, and that includes a lot of parking lots, and it accounts to a total of 500 million square feet
Wow.
in pressure washing services. So we're very excited that we have started with the right foot, and open always to any questions from any client or prospective client that might be interested in our services.
All right. Again, this is Mónica Taher, Chief Operations Officer for Avanti Green Cleaning, based right here in Las Vegas, Nevada. A great women-owned business, minority-owned business, and they continue to do great work. 14 years going now. So if you want more information, you can go to their website, avantigreen.com. Monica, thank you so much for coming on, and have yourself a great day.
Thank you, Patrania. Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you so much, and thank you for watching and listening to this episode of Entrepreneur Showcase Series, and we'll see you again next time.